Some people's vans are so bland, not yours.
No.
Yeah.
Not yours at all.
Let's stop now.
Let's go take a look, huh?
Yeah.
You want to come over with us?
Sure.
Can I just take it in and look at the outside for a minute?
Absolutely.
I
Absolutely.
mean, this
Walk
has been
around.
a long process.
Absolutely.
Okay, it didn't have windows when I saw it before.
I love the ladder on this one.
I love it.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So I like these ones because they're flat. And
I do
even like
too.
flip-flops, you can get up and down on it, you know?
I love it. Love it, love it, love it.
Let's go around this way.
Okay,
No peaks.
no peaks.
No peaks.
Okay, no peaks. I can't wait.
Welcome to your new life.
Oh,
Nice.
I love it. Look at that floor. Oh, oh my God, there's a velour seat. Look.
Look at that seat.
I love it. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, I love this.
From the permission here.
And I said this had to look like concrete, and it does.
It looks like concrete.
I love it in the green basket. I love it. Oh.
So the original seat is black leather, but Susan wanted it to be reupholstered. So with the designer, they chose a green velvet fabric, and Linda made a full cover for the flip seat.
Velvet?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, it's velvet, yeah. So the dinette area, it's a lagoon table on the wall that can be used either by the kids when the two front seats are actually facing forward to drive, or as a table to eat with the two swivel seats facing backward and the bench. The lagoon tabletop has been made with the regular countertop that has been painted and then epoxied to look like concrete, like cement. And Linda did it, and it looks absolutely amazing. In the kitchen, you have a gold faucet with a silver farm sink.
It's gold?
So let's start with the kitchen. In the kitchen, you have a gold faucet with a silver farm sink. Susan really wanted a farm sink in her kitchen. Here you have quite a lot of storage with the fire extinguisher and a hidden compartment in the toe kick. Forward, you have the usual 130 isotherm fridge and freezer with Furion gas stove and gas oven, 3 burners, with the oven under it. Storage for both your utensils and your gas bottle for the Furion oven and the cook stove. On the other side, you get a food pull-out drawer. Up. 3 big drawers. Funny stuff about these pull-out drawers and this pull-out pantry is that Susan wanted to have some cedar door face, and she wanted to be distressed. So Billy did an amazing job. I guess he distressed the wood. I don't know how I could put that in, but he first stained the cedar and then distressed it with metal brush, and the final look is amazing. On the passenger side, you have 4 upper cabinets with very nice glass handles, custom shelf, magnetic knife holder. Here you have all of your switches, 12-volt car outlets, regular outlets, water pump, under cabinets.
So we started doing the 12-volt outlet. Why did we start doing that?
We decided to make it a standard and to add the 12-volt outlet because a lot of customers are not really in a hurry, and a lot of the kitchen appliances are actually much better for van life in 12-volt. For example, the 12-volt kettle, the 12-volt oven, the 12-volt oven, the 12-volt blender. It really doesn't take too much on your batteries. It just takes a little bit more time. We just wanted to give the customers the option to use it if they wanted to, and the only way they can use it is with the 12-volt outlet.
So that's a 12-volt AC?
Yes, that's a 12-volt AC. So this one has, if I remember, 9,000 BTU, so it's a little bit less powerful than the 120-volt AC, but this one can run on the batteries because it's drawing so much less power.
Oh, great.
So the fire extinguisher is under the sink, and the carbon monoxide detector is right here by the upper cabinets. You see this big round button? It's the test button, so don't touch it. Here you have the, of course, so it's gonna start ringing now. Yep, there it is. So, okay, it works. She has an opening in the bedwall to access the garage from the inside, but she also wanted a step to be able to get in bed. So Billy came up with a fold and step system inside the bedwall that works really well. So now let's talk about Suzanne's shower. Suzanne's shower is definitely one of the nicest, most complex, most time-consuming shower we have ever done, but it looks absolutely beautiful. So
Can you open the door?
Yes. So first of all, on the outside, it's a very nice bifold shower because she didn't want to have the usual slide-out self-cleaning shower. She really wanted to have wallpaper on the wall, but the wallpaper was, even though it was waterproof, it was always failing in the corner. So we put the wallpaper in the back.
That's really smart.
And we put transparent acrylic panel on top of it to make it completely waterproof, and it's held by white acrylic panels on the side. You have like a shower niche and a full gold shower faucet. The usual separate toilet. This one is again the urine divider that separates the urine and the solid, and that brings the urine directly in the grey water tank. It's connected to the fan that you can actually turn on and off from the EcoFlow battery monitor.
Nice. Whose idea was that with the acrylic panels?
So I've got to say I have to take the credit because it was mine. It was mine. And
Sure,
I know,
that's good.
I know. No, it's
So Billy?
It actually
So
was.
Billy?
No, it actually was mine. Nobody believes me when I say I have a good idea.
Let's see.
So since we're talking about the EcoFlow battery monitor, I can show you the battery monitor now. So here you can control the input, the output. You can actually turn on or off either all the AC power, DC power, or individual outlet one by one. You can actually remove the panel. So here it's connected because it's on the battery, but you can actually remove the battery monitor, so you can control everything from the bed. In theory,
Nice.
you can actually turn on and off the switches from it. You can remove the battery monitor, but you can also connect the EcoFlow system to the EcoFlow app on your phone and control everything from your phone.
So there's like, is it Bluetooth or you can do it from anywhere?
Yeah, it is Bluetooth.
Okay, it's
Yeah.
Bluetooth. Okay, cool.
Here you have the heater, so the WebAstro control, and the water gauge.
Nice.
You have the cedar wood ceiling for the living area with the transition and the white wooden tile and the white tiles right above the bed. Alright, so Suzanne's van has a queen size mattress with two bunk windows that open with a box screen on both sides. She has an adjustable iPad holder to watch movies in the evening. Upper cabinets on the passenger side, not on the driver's side, so she can put her head. She has 12-volt lights with USB connections, and the regular Max Air fan, the model 7000 Max Air fan, just above the bed to blow air either in or out, with USB, USB-C double outlet by the feet of the bed.
And rarely things exceed my expectations, but this exceeded my expectations. Rarely.
They did an amazing job with the van, and they seem very, very happy. So now we're gonna go through the boring part of the reveal, the whole training on how to use electrical, every little items and plumbing, and after that they'll be ready to hit the road.
I just can't wait to get on the road again. Aww. I've been feeling jumping to pick those out. Have fun.
Alright, I'm done guys. Bye.